Hey guys, it's Jenna. So I am here today to talk about the July roundtable for 2022. Today we're going to definitely be talking a little bit about post Prime Day, what that looks like. And then we'll also be talking about the Prime Fall Deal event that is coming up end of September, start of October. Not much is known about it just yet, but we're going to talk about what we do know so far and how we can be prepping for it as it's coming up. So let's dive into it. So post Prime Day. So now that Prime Day has passed, it is really, really important that we are doing the basics now more than ever. So what comes to mind when we are talking about doing the basics is things like requesting a review. Obviously, a lot of you guys got an influx of sales. You guys saw that big sales bump. So it is really important that we are requesting the reviews now more than ever, taking advantage of those extra sales and making sure we're getting the reviews from them. So that would be the first step that I would definitely recommend doing. For those of you guys that have the review funnel live, I would make sure that it is set up to ask for the review. So if you guys are in a situation where perhaps your review funnel isn't asking for the review, just making sure there is an email follow-up and it isn't being left alone for that. Now, the other thing I would recommend doing is start implementing your regular promotions again. So for the Prime Day lead up, I know a lot of us pulled back on certain things like coupon clippings, lightning deals, things like that. Now is the time to start implementing those again, making sure you have a promotional strategy set up, making sure you are running promotions every single month, making sure you're taking advantage of something to try to get extra eyes on your actual listings. So for sure, setting up coupon clippings, those are the easier ones. Those are ones that everybody can do. You can do something as small as 10% off, maybe even one product per month or something like that. Doesn't even have to be for the entire month, but doing it even for a week per month for different products could really, really help get extra visibility on those listings. Now, the other thing that just recently got updated is your lightning deals and your 7-day deals. So for a while there, Amazon was not recommending any lightning deals or 7-day deals as they prepared for Prime Day, which is normal, just because they don't want to give away when Prime Day actually will be. But now those are up and live again. So I would recommend running those. One thing I've found is a lot of international marketplaces, they have a very small lightning deal fee. Some of them are actually completely free. So for those of you guys that maybe shy away in the US market for lightning deals or 7-day deals, I want you to check them out on the international marketplaces because sometimes you'll see a deal fee as low as like $25. I know Australia, a lot of the times they'll give the deals away for free. So making sure you guys are taking advantage of those lightning deals and 7-day deals because those, as always, are not something that's available to everyone. So it is super important that you are taking advantage of those to gain that extra visibility on your listings. Now, the last thing I will say that you need to be doing post Prime Day is increasing your customer engagements. So the reason why you guys would want to do that is because customer engagements are attached to your storefront followers. Most likely on Prime Day, you guys got an increase in your storefront followers. So if you guys are the ones that have got an increase in your storefront followers, you want to make sure you're doing customer engagements because now those customer engagements should be reaching new customers that they weren't reaching prior to Prime Day. So making sure you guys are rolling out that and making sure that those are being taken care of and run at least twice a month. Really wouldn't increase it more beyond that, just trying to run them twice a month for extra visibility. Now, one thing I will say about customer engagements that has changed over the last couple months is in customer engagements, if you are running a 7-day deal, Amazon will feature that deal in your actual customer engagement copy. So if you have a 7-day deal set up, make sure you have a customer engagement that matches it. That would be my recommendation. So that's what we're thinking for post Prime Day. Now, the other thing I want to talk about, like I mentioned, is the Prime Fall event. So the event, like I said at the start of the call, is expected to fall between the end of September and early October. Like Prime Day, Amazon is definitely keeping the date, close to the chest. So hopefully we'll find some more information out soon. Now, one thing they have disclosed is that the inventory must be inbound by September 12th in order for the FBA warehouses to have it in time for the event. Now, right now, the only promotion you can book for the Prime Fall event is lightning deals. So if you were to go right now into your deals tab located under advertising, you would be able to see if you are eligible for the Prime Fall event. So you would press make a deal in the upper right-hand corner. And then from there, if you see the Prime Fall event listed as a date, you can go ahead and book that out. Now, that being said, it's kind of ranges. So some accounts I'm seeing that you can book these deals up until the first week of September. Others, I'm seeing that you can book it only until Friday the 22nd. So that's coming up this Friday. So if you are seeing those, it's kind of the same type of philosophy we talk about for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and Prime Day is book it and ask questions later. You can always cancel a lightning deal, but you can't always book one, right? So it's always best to book those lightning deals, and then you can always cancel them if they are not the right fit. So that's my recommendations from a promotional standpoint. We are expecting more to be offered hopefully soon. So kind of similar to Prime Day, where they come out and say, here's how you book a Prime exclusive discount and things like that. We're assuming the same thing is eventually going to come up for the Prime Fall event. It just hasn't been released as of yet. The next thing I will definitely want to push is making sure you guys are running your Amazon posts and customer engagements. Obviously, you guys have to wait for the deal to be announced in order to book these. But once the date is announced, we suggest scheduling out both Amazon posts and customer engagements for the day of the deals that are going to be going on. So very similar to Prime Day, we want to make sure that we are pushing those. And the products that I would recommend doing this for are specifically the ones that are going to run during the event. So products that will have the lightning deal on, or products that will have the different promotions on, depending on what what Amazon releases. So that's what we're looking at for Prime Fall event. Definitely stay tuned to us here at TurnKey just for anything new that might come up from that. We'll definitely keep you guys posted. But other than that, that's all I have for the July 2022 recap. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our team. But yeah, thank you so much for listening.